Hey guys, it's Naya and Ellie, and today we'll do Don't Choose the One Bubble Gum.
That's right, guys. We have Mentos gum here, and in some of these containers is the Mentos gum, and in other containers there are slime ingredients. So are you guys ready to get started?
Yes!
And if you don't know, this is Naya Corn, or Naya mixed with a unicorn. She is Team Big Sister, and this is Ellie Corn. She's Ellie mixed with a unicorn, and she's Team Little Sister.
And she's terrible. And Naya's terrible.
So let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah.
Oh, it looks like Little Sister had the fist, and Big Sister had the scissors. What's this?
Yes.
I don't know who folded these numbers, but they are ratchet.
Naya did, remember?
Take your first number.
6 was on a tray.
There. That's 16. Okay, so the first one goes to Ellie.
Double.
You have mint gum? Your turn.
No, 3 watered eggs.
Number 11.
What those
This
caramel?
is supposed to be cinnamon gum. Let's see if it's cinnamon gum.
18.
Okay, so, I'm not hearing any noise. Ellie, let's see what you have. Open it up.
No, she gets yellow girl. The worst color. Mommy, this is Goldilocks, and these are all her eyes.
Ew, Goldilocks and all
No,
her
it's just
eyes.
like Halloween.
In her hair.
So, it looks like she has tropical gum. Let's see what's inside.
Tropical leaf in the land. Out. I knew it was green. 17.
Okay, so here, 17. I wonder if you have Mentos or something else.
What? I know she doesn't have Mentos.
Whoa!
Beads.
You have color beads. Let me get some.
Oh, now I'm probably jealous because these
Look
are
at these.
rainbow.
Ellie, 12 with the dot of trade.
Let me see. Okay, so Naya does have 12 with a dot of trade. That means Ellie automatically picks her number as well. It lets us know what she has.
10 with Dollar Tree.
10 with no dot
Dot
of
of
trade. So let's get the 10. This is Ellie's. And let's get the 12 if we can find it in this wretchedness. So this is Naya's and this is Ellie's. Naya, do you want to keep your number 12 or do you want to take Ellie's number 10?
I'm going to take Ellie's number.
Okay, so she's taking Ellie's 10.
I know that's one.
Pour this out. Ooh, let me get some of those.
No.
Naya has pink and yellow Mentos bubblegum. So Ellie Ellie has a mint jar. So Ellie, open that up. Move it back here. The camera can't see that.
I don't want to mess with my
There you go.
Number 4 with no Dollar Tree. I've been hating no Dollar.
Number 4. Looks like Naya, you got another tropical gum.
This is so pretty.
I'm so happy.
She got a clear yellow glue.
2 Dollar Tree. What?
Oh! She actually got a dot of trade.
I asked her if I asked her to get the Dollar Tree.
She got 2 with Ellie. You know how many times you cleaned dot of trade and there is no dot of trade? Okay, so Naya has 9, no dot of trade. Let's get the 2. Naya has this cinnamon number 9, and Ellie has this watermelon number 2. Ellie, what would you like
Naya's.
to do? You want Naya's cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's watch her pour hers out.
It's pink.
Yay!
Oh, Ellie, you were lucky on this one. Ellie's so happy. Look at that little face.
Oh, Ellie. Put more in my pocket.
No more in your pocket. They spilled everywhere. So we have a white Mentos, pure, fresh white Mentos. Let's see
Pure,
what's
fresh.
in her.
Mentos.
It's in her container.
Pure fresh white Mentos.
Ellie, why don't you sprinkle this like you're some gourmet chef, sprinkling something on your dish?
Like salt.
Yeah, right, or her herbs on her dish.
Mommy, you're messing up what the chef wants to do. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay.
Ooh,
Oh, look, cotton
ah,
candy.
ooh.
Naya has cotton candy gum. There's pink and blue in this cotton candy. Do you guys like cotton candy? Leave a
No, I
comment
don't
below.
like
13.
Okay.
No Dollar Tree.
Oh, Ellie, you have a cotton candy
She has a
as
lot
well.
of
It's cotton candy.
But it's blue.
20. The highest number.
Okay, so it's number 20. Naya, it
Number
looks like
20 looks-
you got another fruit gum. I don't even know what they have a flavor on here.
OMG, do I
It
get more?
has, oh, it's a mix of mango and raspberry strawberry. Here you go. Oh, she has more orange. And we know, we saw it earlier. Orange and pink go.
I hate this one.
All right, Ellie, you get pure fresh mint. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I need one of these. Here you go.
Mommy living her best life with the second highest number.
19. So Naya gets this white
Oh, it's on.
pure Mentos. What do you think she got? Are you team big sister or team little sister? All right.
It's
It
been
is now
looking
Ellie's
at
turn.
some Mila with pizza. One with Dollar Tree.
You know what? Next time you claim Dollar Tree and it's false, you turn gets skipped. Little faker. Ooh, she gets clear pink. She has white. Let's see.
I get nothing special. One now.
Whoa! You tricked us for real. All right, Naya, your turn. All right, so guys, in the last round, if you don't know, wait, why do we have more gums? I think we had extra gum.
Yeah.
All right, so if you guys don't know, on the last round, we actually do something where they can actually do a trade or keep. They're gonna do a rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to decide. All right, open your numbers, ladies.
5.
I have
Ellie, you can't look.
number 15.
Okay, so
We have the same.
Naya has number 15. Ellie has number 5. We don't know what's in each. Girls do rock, paper, scissors. Do you want your number 5 or Naya's number 15?
Naya's 15.
Okay, Naya's 15. Open it up and pour it out. She just gets clear glue.
Yep, so I won't lose that mine.
All right, Naya, let's see what you have.
Oh, Ellie, thank you. I love my sister.
Oh,
She
Naya
giving
has
me
purple.
PJ.
Clear purple. All right, let's give you guys a closer look at your teams. Team Ellie, this is what you have. Look at that. It looks like a lot of confetti. Rainbow confetti. Team Naya, this is what you're working with. Glitter, glitter, glitter at the top.
Just
with some
glitter,
pops
glitter,
of
glitter.
color. Okay, ladies, start mixing. I wonder what colors you're gonna get. Guys, leave a comment what's gonna be the final color and who is gonna reign supreme. Whoa, Ellie has a tie-dye rainbow going.
I hope that looks like green.
Naya's is a glitter bomb.
Ooh, I got an idea. Mine, ooh, what? Ooh, mine looks cool. Beats. 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 Now you know what I'm talking.
Beats.
Now you know what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
you mean beats?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Beats.
OMG, look at this. This is poop. Poop. Plop.
Okay, guys, this is our final product. Believe it or not, we have put a lot, and I mean a lot of activator, and it will not mix. We're thinking there's something in the gum.
Maybe there's more.
Yeah, it's something in the gum that is stopping it from mixing from activating. It's like it's neutralized
Yeah.
I think it may be the mint,
Hey
the peppermint
guys,
that's stopping
it's
it
a
from
famous
mixing.
kid Ellie with ice in the
So,
bubble head.
let's look at Ellie's slime soup. Ellie, let's see your slime soup.
Want to taste some, kids? It's made from a unicorn. I
Okay,
love
and here is
unicorns.
Naya's slime soup. It looks like split pea with like silver sparkles. You can't even see the sparkles that well.
That's meat.
So let's see.
White little meat.
So there is Naya's soup,
The
slime
white is
soup,
meat fat.
and
Like
Ellie's.
steak fat.
You guys make sure you vote below and make sure you subscribe to Naya versus Ellie and hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys later. Looks like this slime was a fail. There are some bubbles coming through there.
Do you guys want some stuff? Do you want some gambit? Do you want some slit pea stuff?